Hey guys, welcome back to another Dallas, Texas apartment tour. So today I'm in the city of Addison, Texas, and I'm going to be hopefully viewing 2 units in this apartment complex. Now, I will not pronounce the name of this complex because it's pretty hard to pronounce the name, so I'll leave it up on the screen. But I'm gonna give you some information about this apartment. So, let me pull it up on my phone. So this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment. Its starting rent right now is $1,713. It's 1135 square feet. So I'm hoping that I can see the 1-bedroom. Right now we're in the 2-bedroom, and yeah, let's get into the tour. So as soon as you walk into the apartment complex, you walk right into the kitchen, and the kitchen is big, open, and bright. So it does have a little island, which I think this section right here is so unique because like you have your island and then you can put your chairs right here. So you don't even need a kitchen table because this is like the kitchen table. So this is a nice thing. Look at the lighting right here. This is very unique. I like that right there. You have your refrigerator, and above the refrigerator you have cabinets, which is a plus for storage space, and I'm gonna try to open it right now. So you have that storage space all the way up there. You have your standard refrigerator. So let me show you guys the backsplash of the kitchen. I like the colors, it's very pretty, giving me earth tone. This feels like it's granite. And you have drawers on both sides of the oven. This one's bigger and that side is smaller. You have your cupboards at the bottom, the oven. You have your microwave, and then you have cabinets like all across here. Like they have tons of cabinet space. Your pantry. Let's open up these drawers. So here's the cabinets. It's just so much space. Like even if you can't fit everything in your pantry, you still have a whole bunch of space and storage. Then what is cool about this unit is like you have these underlightings. If you don't notice, like the bottom lights up, which is good for nighttime when you're trying to come in the kitchen for snacks. You have the underlighting, which I like. So here is the sink. Over the sink you have shelves, which is unique. Like I like this whole look. Deep sink, which is good. And yeah, this is granite, by the way. So let's see. No, these drawers are dummy drawers, but you have storage space underneath the sink. You have your dishwasher, which is right here. Another cabinet above the dishwasher. Your pantry, which is huge. Like this is a big pantry. Let me back up so that you guys can see. It's just so much space. Look how much space. And let's see if this island have like a cupboard. Yes, so you also have drawers and cabinets underneath the island, which is a plus. A lot of space. And it's okay, so I like that. Look guys, it goes in slow. Okay, so I don't know if it's the right side is the master or the left. I'm assuming, no, this is bedroom number 1. To the left is the master. Before I show you guys the bedroom, here is the living room area, which is big and it's opened up into the kitchen. It can definitely fit a whole entire living room set. It look out from the balcony, so right there you see the balcony. So let's head to bedroom number 1. So right in this hallway, you have your laundry room. So I'm not sure if they come with washer and dryers, I don't know. But here's a washer and dryer in this unit. You have shelves, and then you have all this space up here. And then you have the bathroom. There is the shower and the tub, your toilet, and a closet is right there. But the counters is the same as what's in the kitchen. This right here, I don't know if this is meant to have like a cupboard because you have like these, so I don't know if it broke off or it's supposed to be like this. I'm assuming it's supposed to be open like that. You have your linen closet on the side. Put your towels in here. What is this? Oh, that's where you put your laundry basket. Okay, that's cool. I like that. Then behind the linen closet, you have a hook. You have storage underneath your sink. Drawers. And then for the toilet, you press the button on top to flush, but I always like this right here. I love an area to put my soap and whatever else I need to shower with. That's pretty cool. I love the color as well. So to the right, you have your big old walk-in closet. So the closet has carpet, but everywhere else has tile. So here's the closet, lots of space. And now we're gonna head to the bedroom. So here is bedroom number 1. And it's a nice size bedroom. It's not small to me. It's like a medium, I would say. So you can definitely fit your bed, your nightstand, your dresser. It has a ceiling fan, a big old window for a whole lot of natural sunlight. And it's carpet in the bedroom. So it's a nice size bedroom. We're gonna head to bedroom number 2, which is across the hall. So we're in bedroom number 2, and I think this is the master. It has ceiling fans and a whole lot of natural sunlight. And to the left, you'll have the bathroom and you'll have the closet. So here is the master bathroom. You have your linen closet. You have 2 sinks, and then you have 2 mirrors as well, which I like that. And there's another linen closet. That is cool. There's 2 of them. There's one. And then the same thing on the other side. So that is awesome. You have 2 cupboards on both sides. And then you also have this middle space. So I think it's meant to be left open. Yeah, I like this. This is really pretty. So here is the shower, which I love the whole color scheme. How do you open this? Okay, there you go. Oh, look at the shower, guys. I love the color, so pretty. So there is a shower. And then you have the toilet, which has this separation, which is awesome. I like this separation. There's a toilet. And here's another view of the master bathroom. I'm gonna get down and show you guys going up. So I'm in the walk-in closet. Here is the closet, which I like this whole setup. They definitely utilize the space. So you have drawers, a little hamper at the bottom, shelves, and then you have some storage space to the left. You can put things on top, storage space on top. To the right, the same thing. So this is nice. So that is it for this 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment tour. All the information about this apartment complex will be listed down below. Before I go, I want to tell you guys that this apartment has tons of amenities. They have 1-bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms. They have furnished apartments, and they have a ton of amenities that I will also leave it in the video, and I'll send you guys the link so that you guys can book your own tour or just like move in here if you guys like the video. I'm gonna try to go toward the 1-bedroom here because they were having problems with getting the code. So I'm gonna try my best to tour the 1-bedroom unit here. And don't forget that the price that I gave you guys in the beginning is the current price right now. So the prices do change, so keep that in mind before you guys say to me like, oh my goodness, you told me it was this price and now it's changed. Yeah, the prices does change. So thank you guys so much for watching. And if you guys want to support my channel, you guys can send me a donation on Cash App. I'll leave my Cash App right here. I would definitely appreciate if you guys do support my channel so that I can continue to do more apartment tours for you guys. So thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.